Hi, I'm here today just to show you how well we can repair some stone chips on this front guard and how quickly we can do it. This will just be in real time without any editing at all. Okay, so I'm just going to, there's the colour, what I'm going to use, a little pipette and our small green squeegee. I'm just going to go right ahead and draw a little colour up into, whoops, I've dripped a bit on the panel, but never fear. Okay, so just for the purpose of speed, I'm just going to repair the chips in this area. I'm just going to leave a few here just to give a bit of a before and after effect. Now that paint that I dripped on the panel is no problem. I'll just pick it up with the squeegee and use it to repair a few chips. So I'm just basically going to quickly smear a little paint into these chips using no particular skill or method. Now, I think a lot of people would always tell you that these types of silver greys are very difficult to or brush touch or get any sort of touch-up result out of. So I just want to show you how quickly and easily we could repair, 20 odd stone chips, even to make it a nicer job. I'll fill them in a little further. Now, this guard is off a Mercedes-Benz. I can't tell you the name of the colour because I just don't know it. I can tell you, however, the paint that I'm using is just a GM black, and it's an American GM black, just out of our commercial system, so it's not even the correct colour. So I'm guessing that panel doesn't look real good right now. But that's how we do it. So that's it for the paint side of things. All I need to do now is give it a minute or two to dry. And then I'm going to take some Seal-Act and apply it to our wiping cloth and just wipe those off. Where I'm working today is quite warm, so normally I'd give that 2 or 3 minutes to dry. Today I'm going to give it about 90 seconds. So here I go, I'm just going to get a wiping cloth, pour a liberal amount of Seal-Act onto it, like that. And I'll just go over and wet up a few of these chips so the Seal-Act can start doing its work and soften that paint. Just going to grab my microfiber towel. Okay, so here we go. You can see that paint comes away quite easily. And I don't know how long this video is going to end up, but I think you'll find in less than 5 minutes I would have repaired quite well about 30 odd stone chips. So that top panel we've washed off completely. Again, I'm just wiping quite gently, just trying to get the Seal-Act to do the work for me. I don't know about the camera angle there, but from where I'm standing as I'm washing it off, I can't see anything in those chips at all. They look like they're perfect. We generally like to say that when we repair a chip that you can't see anything from about a metre away. And then if you get down real close, you'll still notice where it is. But on this panel, you're going to have to look pretty damn hard to see where the chips were. So there you go, that's pretty much finished. All that's left for me to do is to grab my microfiber towel, fold it over and buff the panel up, getting rid of that Seal-Act. So I can tell you that camera is about 300 millimeters off that panel, and all you can really see is the chips there from the before process. Everything else looks pretty good to me. So thank you very much for watching, and drop on by our website. Thank you.